Oh my gosh, my favorite thing. You want to get me fired up? Let me talk about CRM. By the way, you're going to have a lot of questions starting from this point on. Put all those questions in the chat. Hannah's going to capture them. I can see her capturing them right now. We're going to get to all of them. Customer relationship management. I say this all the time jokingly that when I ask people if they're using CRM, I only ever get one of two answers, either yes or what is CRM. There's a lot of misunderstanding about what it is and isn't. CRM is not a reporting system. It's not where you go to get your data, your depletion data, although that could be part of it. Here's what CRM is. And for each of the four things I'm going to teach you today, I'm providing you with this definition. This is my definition. This is my gift to you to help you cut through the clutter of misunderstanding, okay? This is my definition of CRM. It is a system for organizing information about accounts and contacts. It's for segmenting and prioritizing opportunities and for facilitating follow-up in order to maximize sales. Guys and gals, you must master CRM in this new era. Get started today. There's a lot of different choices. I'm going to go over them in a second. Yes, there's a learning curve, but this is the future. You must have everything in one place. Your CRM must be cloud-based, it must be mobile-friendly, and you must master it. Now, everybody needs to start somewhere, and I suggest you start here. I wrote an article for the Wine Business Monthly that was intended for a beginner audience. People didn't know anything about CRM that work in the wine and spirits game. It's called The Evolution of CRM and Its Power to Change the Wine Selling Game. Just Google that title, you'll get a copy of it. Start with that, okay? So many light bulbs will come on. The intention that I wrote it for was for people who just really, don't know anything about tech, don't know anything about CRM, so you'll love that. I also have a great video, it's only 18 minutes long, called CRM is Not for Dummies. It's on my YouTube channel. Just Google CRM is Not for Dummies, you'll find it. It's a great video to help kind of put all this stuff into place. So CRM is software, yes, but it's also a disciplined process. So to the question about how do you get your people to use it, I have a saying, okay, and this is not going to make me very popular, but it is what it is. If you can't change your people, change your people. CRM isn't for the company, guys. It's for you. It isn't Big Brother looking over your shoulder. Smart salespeople use CRM because it helps them sell more. So if you have people on your team that don't want to use CRM, what you have are people who don't want to optimize their sales opportunities and you need to talk to them about that. This is bullshit that, this Big Brother looking over my shoulder and I shouldn't have to be held accountable in this way. Unless your name's on the bottom right of your paycheck, you do have to be held accountable. And I'm not kidding. But who cares? You do it for yourself. Don't worry about what the company needs. You do it for yourself because it helps you sell more. This is not optional nowadays. You've got to get on the bandwagon.